I put it under the wheels of a plastic football car. Watching this video will make your stomach ache with laughter. I put a plastic toy car under the wheels. Water of different color in a plastic bowl. 2 iron glasses. On plate of tomatoes. Now a can bottle. Electric lamp. This time I put a tissue paper under the car. Lost of chamois. A plastic toy. I filled many balloons with water and put them under the car. A packet of juice. I put different types of chocolate on the plate. Foam filling foam. Different types to toy. A makeup box. I give a lot of lollipop service down. The water bottle is finished under the pressure of the car. An aeroplane under the wheels of the car. I put a lot of jelly balls inside the bottle and put a balloon outside. I left a lot of ice cream. Lots of cream chocolate. Three color lights. Two cucumbers. I put a lot of cigarettes under the wheels of the car. Check the condition of the plastic bottle. What happened to the packet of mango juice? A dragon fruit. In the blink of an eye, a rabbit doll ends. Lots of magic balls in the balloons. See what happened to this doll. A foam spray. Lots of chocolate inside the bowl.